Hi, welcome back to another video. Today we are camping here at the coast, Trinidad. It's a beautiful day today. The weather is so nice and the ocean wave is not as strong. It's not overcast, so it's nice. I came here with two of my daughters. My husband has to work, so he's at home. My girls are trying to get sand crabs for bait to catch red-tailed perch, but it's hard. This is our first time coming by ourselves without my husband, so we're trying to get the sand crabs ourselves. It's kind of hard to get it. Any? You guys get any?
Like baby one. What's up? Go down.
Good.
You have to go down more.
Yeah. Cindy got a fish. First one.
Oh, it got out by itself.
So
It looks like
small.
there.
Probably 5 inches.
I was like running away and I was like,
The sun is setting. Rose and her friend is meeting up here for fishing
they're very
day.
small. Huh? So the fish is really small. I just got something.
I know. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So we are camping at, what's this called, Rose?
Go Bluff Beach.
Okay, go Bluff Beach.
Beach.
Beach. Okay, and Rose is cooking dinner. We brought noodles, easy camping meals. Rose is expert at camping now. She's done it too many times. It's very hard to reserve this campsite. You have to reserve at least advance, 8 months advance.
Oh my God!
All right, let's take you guys to see the sunset. So pretty. Let's see. We are camping right by the ocean. I can hear the wave. Let's take this way. Oh, it's so pretty. Very pretty.
You see Bridgerton season 4 is coming out?
Okay, we are eating dinner right now.
Oh yeah.
And then we are going to bed. Pretty tired from fishing and catching sand crabs today. We got none. No fish. Cindy caught 2, but it's too small.
Rose caught all the sand crabs.
But we were out there with her, so we help.
Hold the bucket.
So we got devil eggs, mashed potato.
Doubled egg. Potato salad.
and Japanese noodle.
Yeah, this is hot. No, it's not hot.
Alright, eating my noodles too. Everything tastes so much better when you're camping. Guess because when you're tired, it just tastes better. Pretty spicy.
Is it spicy?
It is spicy. It's all red. Look at that. I'm not lying. It's spicy. Okay, it is night time, and this is our bedroom for the night. It's a 6-person tent. It's very spacious in here. It's a little lantern.
I finally got it so that you didn't have to use as much like strength to.
Good morning. We got up early and unpack when we're getting ready to go fishing. We're gonna go get some more sand crabs for bait, and then we are gonna go get some more perch. We didn't have any lucks yesterday. Beautiful morning. This campsite is like in a circle, and the restroom is like right in the middle. Peaceful, quiet morning. The girls are getting sand crabs for fishing, bait for fishing this morning. We're up so early at 6 a.m. packed and out here trying to get some sand crabs. Did you guys get any? Let me see. Let's see. That's what they're. Oh no, I don't want to touch it. Oh wow. Oh, the good size.
Most of them are not size.
Good size for fishing. That's how they look like, sand crabs.
So small.